We're going to show you how to set up Pebble Plop. All you need to play is bean bags or balls and a bucket and a hoop. Or alternatively, you can use soft cuddly toys or roll up a pair of socks and washing basket or saucepans for this activity at home. Lay out the bucket or hoops at a comfortable distance away from the starting spot. The object of the game is to throw the beanbag or ball into the target. To make it more challenging, you can move the target further away, use a different object, or make the target smaller. For more ideas, visit our Facebook, Twitter, or website.